In this video, we'll show how to automatically rename documents using guided actions with the AutoSplit plugin for Adobe Acrobat. We'll create a guided action to rename multiple PDF invoices at once. The new names will contain a string of text, followed by the client's name, which is found in the same location within each file. Guided actions can automate repetitive tasks and workflows, and the actions can be saved for future reuse. Before starting, it's important to ensure that documents contain searchable text. If using scanned documents, a text recognition operation must first be applied. To open guided actions, click on See All Tools on the home screen of Acrobat. Scroll down to find the guided actions icon and click Open. Create a new guided action by clicking on Actions, then selecting New Action. From the menu, click on More Tools. Then scroll down and double-click on Auto Rename File, or select it and press the plus button. Uncheck Prompt User to avoid repeated prompts. Then click Specify Settings with the three dots. In the Settings window, click Add to create a new file name component. Choose a renaming method. In this example, we will begin with some custom text. Click Next. Now type the text you would like included in each file name, then click OK. Click Add again. This time we will select text from Location and click Next. Click OK. Select a sample document with the same format as your files. Use the zoom and selection tools to highlight the text location to be referenced for renaming. Then click OK. You can add more naming components with the Add button and reorder them using the blue arrows. Optionally, save rename files to a separate folder by checking the box and selecting Select Output Folder. Then choose the folder where you would like to save your rename files. Save your configuration for reuse with Save Settings. Use Load Settings to load previously saved settings. Click OK. Click Save. Then type a name and description of your guided action and click Save again. The new action will appear in your actions list. Select it and add files you want renamed using the Add Files button. Select Add Files, then navigate to and select all files you want renamed and click Open. Now press Start to rename them and wait for processing to complete. Once it's finished, you can check the full report for any errors or click Done. You will find the rename files in the Output folder. Visit evermap.com to learn more about Evermap's PDF tools for Adobe Acrobat. Please subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos for more PDF automation tutorials. Thanks for watching.